is write in a slope-intercept form. So make sure you know what form they want. Slope-intercept. The equation of a line with the slope 2, intercept 1. The answer would be on this form, y equals 2x plus 1. Just substitute in this form. By the way, this is what we call slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. I'm going to zoom it. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Come closer. Can you see it? Can you see the form? Can you see this form? This form is called slope-intercept. The slope is m. The intercept is what? B. And because in the question, they give you m, the slope 2. So instead of this m, you put 2. That's why you have 2x here. 2x, exactly like mx. Okay? Exactly the same. But m is given what? 2. Plus 1 plus b. Can you see the formula is mx plus b? So instead of b, you put the 1. As simple as this. Any question? This is our first objective. How to write an equation of straight line in slope-intercept form given the slope and a point. This time they don't give you b. They don't give you this famous b. They give you a point. Can you see the example? Write in slope-intercept form the equation of the line with slope 2. The slope is given, that means m is given, and passing through the point 1, 3. They give point instead of b. So what you need to do is this. Slope m equals 2 is given, so the equation becomes y equal to x plus b, because we know m. M is 2, we just substitute m with 2, we get x. We don't know b, we put it b. Is that clear? After we finish this, we go to step 2. In step 2, we need to find b. We need to find what? B. To be able to find b, we use the given point in the question, 1, 3. This point is given in the question. Remember, it's here. This point is on the line. Okay? So what you need to do, you take the equation that you wrote here in step 1, this equation, you take it as it is, and you use this point inside this equation. You put it in the equation. 1 for x, 3 for y. Can you see? This is exactly your equation. Y equal to x plus b, but instead of y, I put 3. Instead of x, I put what? 1. We call this substitution. Substituting with the coordinate of the point, x and y. Remember, this is x. Good. Excellent. Put comma. Excellent. So all of you, make sure you take your equation, this equation, as it is, and x, this x, you put it 1. And y, this y, you put it what? 3. So you get this form. You get here. After that, just calculate. 2 times 1 is 2. And you get 2. And then subtract 2 from each side, you get your b. B equals 1. After you get your b, put it back in this equation. Exactly this equation. So if you know, can you say it? Just substitute b equals 1 inside here, and you get your equation, y equal to x plus 1. That's it. Any question? One. MashaAllah alik. X2, Y2. We have seen how to find the slope for a line passing through 2 points. We just use the formula, the slope formula, which is change in y over change in x. فتاخدي y2 أحسنتي. y2 is negative 12, y1 is negative 3. ما شاء الله عليك أحسنتي. This is the top, the y. We finished with the y. Make sure you start with the y, okay? And then x2 minus x1, negative 7 minus negative 5. Put it in your calculator and tell me how much you get using your calculator. بسرعة اكتبوها زي ما هي as it is in your calculator. واو طلعت صح برافو عليكم. Can you see here? Step 2. Now that we know the slope m, we can use either point given in and write our equation. I'm going to take this point, negative 5, negative 3, which is the first one, this one. You can use either. Both of them, they give you the same equation. So we use one of them only. So what you need to do, substitute the value of m. Mashallah alaik, she substituted the value of m. Now, substitute with the coordinates of the point, y negative 3 and x negative 5. Put your y here, your x here, your m here. I am guiding you. Now, we need to find b. We have to add 22.5 to each side. Write down here plus 22.5 plus 22.5. Yes, just solving a linear equation. You remember, one step, linear equation. I told you in the beginning of the term, we need those linear equations. Okay, this cancels, you get b equals, and you use your calculator to tell me how much is this. 19.5. That is your B. Okay. Yes, can you see? You got it correct. Now, the only thing we have to do is to write the equation. Can you remember? We are looking for B. We need to write this equation again down there. Wow, she did it. MashaAllah alayk. Before I talk, you finished. This is the slope-intercept form of the equation. Okay, so I repeat. In this slide, they give you 2 points in the question. Can you see? Listen carefully. In this question, they will give you 2 points on the line, and they want you to write the equation. First, you find the slope. You know how to find the slope using 2 points, okay? Which is this formula of the slope. You get your slope. After you get your slope, you write your equation in slope-intercept form, y equal mx plus b. And you substitute m. This is your y equal mx plus b. And you substitute your m inside the equation. You get this form. You need to find b. To find b, substitute with the point given, one of the 2 points. Just substitute and solve for b. After you find b, put it back in the equation, and you're done. Any question? Write in a slope-intercept form an equation for the graph line. Can you see what is new here? Instead of they give you the slope and the point or b, they give you the line. From the line, you collect all the information you need. The only information you need is m and b. Can you see, all of you? She said rise over run. You go and calculate your run and your rise, and you find it 2 over 1, which is 2. Wallah mashallah alaik. Did you find it to find b? Tell us. We need to hear you. قولي يا بطلة. إذا ما حابة تتكلمي, just draw it on the graph. Show me where it is on the graph. The y-intercept. Where is it? Guli. Where is it? Where is it? Tell me. Where is it? Where is it? I'm going to die. Tell me. Yes. Can you see it, all of you? ها شفتوا ولا ما شفتوا؟ It's exactly there the y-intercept on the y-axis. هذا y-axis صح؟ صح ولا غلط؟ This is the y-axis. هذا y-axis وهذه line. And this is a line. اللاين والy-intercept يلتقوا في هذا البوينت اللي هو exactly، خلينا نمسح حتى تشوفوا كلكم، exactly 1، وانا حاط البوينت 0 1، حتى يعني ما يدخل لك شك على ال1، معناتها البي equal 1. والله صح، ما شاء الله عليها. And finally the equation is 2x plus 1. هاي خلصت، ما احتاج تشرح. بناتي ما ينتظروا الاستاذ يشرح، يقرأوا ويفهموا. ما شاء الله عليكم. ايش بيكم انتم تقولوا ماينس؟ انا مستغرب فيكم، ليش تحطوا ماينس؟ انا مش عارف من وين جاء هذا الماينس. اسمعوا، السلوب ما عنده علاقة اذا كنتي تحت الزيرو ولا فوق الزيرو. السلوب طلعتي تحطي بلاس، نزلتي تحطي ماينس، هذا هو السلوب. ما عنده علاقة. It has nothing to do with the point you are counting. انت هذا الماينس 1 عنده علاقة بالبي. It has to do with B. It has nothing to do with the slope. أنا شايف كأن هذا confusing you. هذا الماينس 1 لما حطينا اللاين تحت، لما حطينا هذا اللاين تحت أنتوا قلتوا لازم يكون ماينس. لا، slope has nothing to do with the position of the line. كانت هنا ولا كانت هنا ولا كانت هنا ما عنده علاقة. It has nothing to do with where is the line. It has to do with you go up تحط plus, you go right تحط plus. That's it. If you go down you put minus. تذكروا مليح، يبدو هذا this is what is confusing you. الحين انت في كلامي، الحين ريلاكس، خذي نفس، خذي نفس وشوفي مع جوابك. انا راح اسكت. كل الجواب كله. برافو عليك، ما شاء الله عليك، احسنتي. That's it. طلعتي استاذه، طلعتي استاذه. شوفوا صوره، خذوا لها الصوره هذه تنفع تكون بوستر في المدرسه، يتعلموا منها المدرسه كلها. برافو عليك يا ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. شوف لوك، creativity هذه يسموها creativity. البنت هذه نعطيها هذا ستيكر superb. اوكي، وزيد اعطيها ما شاء الله ما شاء الله عليها. اوكي هذا ممتاز، برافو عليك، ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. شوفوا البنت قاعده تعلم فيكم. تعلموا. هذا سلوب، هذا الانترسبت، ينفع بوستر هذا كذلك في المدرسه والله.